Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix mobile power button and call setting guys, how can be off. So friends, you don't like guys your power button to and call setting guys, you want to off it. So friends, how can you off? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So then first of all open your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting we will on guys phone search bar. We will search here guys phone power button. So as you can see guys, power setting we search here. So friends, you can see power button and call setting guys. We will tap here guys. Friends, you can see power button and calls is on guys, you don't want to use. So guys, you can turn off from here. After of guys, power button and call setting will not work in Infinix phone device. So guys, you can off easily guys your phone power button and call setting. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.